Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 540i X-Drive Saloon here at your next car. So I'll give you a quick walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the lovely features and options we have on this stunning vehicle. Starting of course with the outside, where you will see of course we fitted the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house. On this 5 Series we've gone for the satin front splitter, gloss black kidney surrounds. The vehicle has the Xenon and Angel Eye headlamps, which you can see in operation there. It's got the BMW 19-inch multi-spoke glass back alloys and the M Sport braking system, as you can see there. It has got the full glass sunroof, which has tilt and slide operation, which I'll give you a demonstration of in just a moment. We have got the full black heated leather with electric function, with memory function on the driver's side, ambient lighting, power fold mirror function. We've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, reversing camera, which I'll give you a better show of in just a moment. We've got rear privacy glass, Isofix ready rear seats. Moving around to the rear, where we've got the gloss black rear boot spoiler, 540i badging and of course X-Drive badging. Quite hard to get hold of are the 540 X-Drive models. So the X-Drive is obviously BMW's superb four-wheel drive system. Rear facing rear camera. Boot space is absolutely humongous on the 5 Series. Lovely clean tidy example inside and out, which is to be expected thanks to the age and the mileage on this 5 Series. It has covered just a little over 15,000 miles. We've got the M Sport trim inserts on the inside of the doors. The vehicle has also got keyless entry as well as keyless go for comfort access. So you can walk up to the car with the key in your pocket or in your hand, and simply walk up and open the doors. Okay, so I'll get inside and just show you some of the interior features and options in a little bit more depth. So we have the latest digital display dash, and as you can see that's on 15109. There is a better look at the rear facing camera. And I'll now slide the sunroof all the way back. We've got heated leather, as I mentioned, in the front. The professional wide navigation and media is all touchscreen on the 5 Series. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth calls and media, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including DAB. Sports gearbox with paddle shift. And I'll give you a quick demonstration of the ambient lighting that you can change. So if you go into my vehicle settings, lights, interior lighting, ambient lighting, as you can see there, you do get a wide array of different choices that you can choose from. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish up the walk around video of the 540i X-Drive Saloon. We hope you found the video useful, and of course we hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.